Hi guys, I'm Abby J. I'm so excited to join you today at the Ingles table. Today, thanks to Ingles, we have everything we need to make my hot buttered apple cider rum. So let's get started. I start with 1 cup of vanilla ice cream and I combine this with 1 stick of butter. You want to make sure this is softened. I add cinnamon, about a teaspoon of cinnamon, and then I have a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And what we want to do is make this rum butter, and we will kind of combine this like so. This is your base for the drink. You want to get this really fluffy. Get those ingredients in there. So you want to store this in a mason jar and put this in the freezer. So when you're making this drink, you'll have your base to make the drink. And this has to get a little bit harder, frozen, a little bit more solid. So I've made this already and I've had it in the freezer, and what you want to do is take 1 scoop of your rum butter and put it in your mug. You want to add your rum like so, and then we have the hot apple cider, which goes right on top of this. It's really good on a cold winter's day. And then I like to top it off with whipped cream and a stick of cinnamon. And how about that? Thanks so much for joining me here at the Ingles table. Explore the site and check out some of my recipes, tips, and tricks. Y'all have a good one, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.